Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to convert the Daz Genesis 8.1 3D avatar as the iClone iAvatar in iClone 8.2 3D animation software with just one button done. And now I'm going to show you step by step. Now, first you can see I have the Daz Studio, and this is the 3D avatar, the Genesis 8.1 3D avatar, the female versions. The first step, what I'm going to do is just create a new folder on my desktop, and I name this folder as 01 from Daz Studio. Right now, from the Daz Studio, I click File, Export. Export as FBX file. Then choose the folder 01 from Daz Studio. The file name, I'm going to name this as Daz Genesis 8.1 female 01. I click save, and it is going to export as FBX file at here. So now it already exported as FBX file. The next step, in order to convert as iAvatar, the iClone avatar, you have to use the character creator 4. First, just click the transformer, choose the CC3 plus, and then choose the FBX file that you exported from Daz Studio. Just double click. It is going to import the FBX file. The first step, it is going to convert it as the CC avatar. Click the basic. It is going to load the source. Then here you have to take back the body texture. All of this, just take it and click OK. It is going to import into the character creator 4. Right, now you can see it already imported into the character creator 4, and it already become the CC3 plus character. Then what we need to do is just fix this penetrations. Just go to edit mesh. This is some error that you need to fix. Go to the scope, and then here this is to pull it out. Press Q so that you can pull it out. Once done already, click edit the mesh back to the normal. Next, this is a CC3 plus avatar. You can export it as FBX. Click File, Export. Sorry, not FBX. You can export it as iAvatar. In this tutorial, I'm focused on how to convert the Daz Genesis 8.1 3D avatar to become the iAvatar, the iClone avatar for your iClone 8.2 3D animation software. In your CC4, click File, Export, iAvatar. Export. In the same folder, I copy this destination location and paste it here. Press Enter. The file name, I'm going to name it same as this. Ctrl C to copy and paste it here. Ctrl V. Export as iClone character file, the iAvatar. Click Save. Now it already become an iAvatar. Next, in your iClone 7, sorry, this is the iClone 8. The iClone 8.2, you can drag in the iAvatar. Now you can perform any of the 3D animations at here. This is the iAvatar. It included all of the facial, the face key. You can test it here. I can show you. Now go to the expressions. You can test any of the facial expression. Everything ready to perform. It is just a normal CC avatar. Right. That's all for today about my tutorial on how to convert the Daz Genesis 8.1 3D avatar to iClone 8.2 as the iAvatar, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation and game developing. See you.